So here I am again at Ron Potts RV, and today I want you to look with me at the E-Pro, and this is the E20 FBS. That means it's got a front bed. And this E-Pro is incredible. If you get a chance, go watch how these things are constructed. This is one of the most solid units you're going to find anywhere. But not only that, it has solar panels. But not only that, it already has the lithium batteries in it. So I want you to look inside of this E-Pro. This E-Pro is phenomenal. The layout is incredible. If you go to a campsite and you don't have electricity, or you love to boondock, this unit is for you. It not only comes with the solar panels on the roof, comes with the lithium batteries already included. You can boondock in this for days. You say, yeah, but what if it's hot? You can run the air conditioner and it will continue to recycle and give you plenty of days of pleasurable camping. But I don't know if you can tell on this video how spacious this really is. If you'll notice the slide out, incredible slide out in a unit this size, and it gives you a sofa with cup rest in the center. You can put that up if you don't need it. You can turn it into a bed and fold it out so that some others can sleep with you if you got a child with you or whatever. Again, Flagstaff is masters at utilizing space. They do not waste space, nor do they waste quality. And here at the top, you see on each one of these, deep storage for whatever books, blankets, whatever extra things you might need, you can put up there. It's got an air conditioner right here in the center that more than adequate for a unit this size. The bed, again, comes with drawers underneath. Look how deep those drawers are, and look at the quality of that. It is just an awesome use of space. Now, on each side of the bed, you have a table. You've got a closet to hang things. If you want to plug in your cords or your electric cords, you can do so. Window over the bed. I love a window over the bed. It allows that morning light. If you want to put that blind up, you're able to get some morning light and just kick back with your coffee or whatever your morning drink might be, and be able to just relax and have a great view. You have windows on each side that give you an awesome cross breeze so that you can open those up and able to feel that breeze blow through if that's what you prefer. Down here you see you've got your plug-in for your computers, you've got your plug-in for any power source that you need, and then down here, this is the brains of the operation for when you're boondocking. You can see how much energy you have, how much charge you have, where the systems are at, are all right here, very convenient for you to check out while you're looking through your unit. The bed also comes up. You've got a supply of storage under the bed, extra blankets or pillows or whatever. Like I said, Flagstaff has thought through this unit so well. So well. Over here you've got your kitchen. You got a deep sink that allows you to get your pots and pans, whatever, underneath of this high-rise faucet. Your televisions above. Up here you have your technology set up for adjusting your systems. And then you've got storage over. You've got your stove. This one comes with an oven. Dina loves the oven and she uses hers, and you will be able to as well. Another storage area, maybe if you've got a pet, put their bowl or whatever underneath there. Refrigerator gives you plenty of space for those camping trips. Your microwave over top of your refrigerator. And then back here, look at this restroom. How much space you have in the restroom. Again, cabinetry that allows you to put your towels, toiletries, whatever. Not often available in a unit this size. You get a medicine cabinet. And again, they waste no quality on the construction, on what they put into these E-Pro units. porcelain. The shower. Again, a unit this size, just look at the size of that shower that you're able to get in here. I'm about 6 foot, and you can stand in here, you pull this off, you're able to shower in this restroom. So as you can see, the floor, all floor is the hard surface, no carpet, easy cleanup. I'll tell you what, if we were in the market, it would be hard not to consider this, because this unit is going to be in high demand because of all that comes with it. You might be saying, I don't know if I can pull something this heavy. This unit is awesome. You've got an SUV, a pickup truck, half ton. This is 3,714 pounds dry weight for this unit. More than likely, whatever you have, you can pull this. You'll have to check your numbers, but this is an awesome amount of space, quality, and you can pull this behind what you already have. I encourage you to take a look at this E-Pro. So thanks for taking time to watch and walk with me through this E-Pro. I am really excited about this unit. If you haven't subscribed, push the subscribe button. We'd love to journey along with you and for you to be able to keep up with all the exciting things we're doing as we get ready for this new camping season. Also, if you'll push the bell, it will let you know that when the next video we put out is going to be ready. And as always, if you've enjoyed this video, give us the thumbs up so that we know that we're on track helping you in your camping experience. So from the best of us, the Floros here at Ron Potts RV in Johnstown, Ohio, to the best of you, have a great and blessed day. Thanks now. Bye.